What's up, everyone? It's your boy Jamar, and today is December 3rd, Vlogmas number 3. And honestly, guys, I didn't really have much to do for this vlog, so it's just gonna be a short vlog, probably about 3 minutes long, just a chill one. But my idea is basically to give you guys a little idea and craft that you can do during this time in COVID. That's kind of nice, like a nice little gift that's easy to give to other people. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little idea and give you guys some tips and stuff like that. All right, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna bring you over to my office space there and just show you a few things and give you guys a little bit of a tip. Alright, guys, so we're in my office right now. I need to find a few things, but for one, I'll show you this. If you guys have a post office near you, Royal Mail, whatever, just find yourself a little envelope like this. You'll need it. So you get one of those. Then you're gonna go on to Microsoft Word or Mac's version, which is Pages. And you go on there, you can type up a nice letter to your friends, your family, a loved one, and make like a nice, cute, Christmassy type letter. Add your little like fonts and stuff like that into it. Make it look really nice. Add some like art or whatever you like. And then also, if you guys had the ability to, you guys can make a postcard. You can make a postcard. You can send them a nice little postcard. Let me show you guys what I have here. Sorry if it shakes a little bit, guys. You're not on a tripod. So I've got these postcards that I've made, custom made. I send them to my friends. I send them to family. I send them to loved ones. I'll write little notes on them. So that's my postcard. And when people get this, they obviously know that it's from me because I've tailored it to basically everything related to me, everything that's about me. So my close family and friends and loved ones would know instantly once they get this that it's from me. So you get one of those. You grab yourself a bunch of markers, crayons, whatever, Sharpie, fine pigment, Sharpie markers, and you write your little note on this to your friends, family. You can just customize it the way that you want. Go to the dollar store, like Dollarama or whatever dollar store you guys may have in your country, and they always have little things like stickers. They have all sorts of Christmassy type stuff, even like physical like three-dimensional objects that you can get and then like just glue onto this, and make it look Christmassy and nice. And just make something like really creative. Like, be creative. Not a lot of people think about doing stuff like this, but when you send this to someone, like, it means a lot to them and they do hang on to it, and it is something that is appreciated, guys. So consider going to the dollar store. You can also find lots of sweets and chocolates there for really cheap as well. So I'm just giving you guys some sort of idea of something that you can do, because obviously we're all going crazy and we're all bored during this COVID time. But yeah, look for these little things, guys. You can make a cute little package for your friends and send them some stuff. I'll show you guys a little example I have here. So I'm not going to show the label on the back just because it has personal information of someone on there. But if you look inside of this, like, guys, I made like a little package for my friend or a loved one, get them a little perfume set. They got lots of chocolates in there. They got some sweets. They got stocking stuffers and a stocking. And inside of this, they've got, well, hopefully they don't watch this, but I've got these little like Actually, let me just show you guys. For the vlog. So I got 2 of these, and basically you can open them up and put stuff inside of them. So inside of one of them, I put a handmade candle in there. I made it myself. I made scented candles. And then in the other one, I put a bunch of like bath bombs in them, but they're really like cute ones. They look like donuts, and they've got like sprinkles on them and all that stuff, but it's a bath bomb. And yeah, guys, like you can just make like little cute things like these. Make yourself a postcard, slip it into the package, and send it to someone that you love or a friend. It's really affordable, guys, and it's fun to do. You know, you get to be creative. You get to do something, you know, different. And I promise you guys, like, your friends or whoever you send this to, they will treasure you for life, because it's just really unique. It takes time. You've got to put time into it. You've got to put effort into it. And it is just something that people really, really appreciate. So yeah, guys, this is Vlogmas episode number 3, December 3rd. I'm sorry it's not a long one, but I genuinely, like, I didn't really have much to do because of COVID and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you like this vlog, guys. I hope this tip can help you in some way and give you something to do, give you an idea to do. I was hoping to kind of give you a more detailed version of this vlog and actually take you to the dollar store, show you all the little things that I might pick up and put together to make one of these little packages. But it didn't really work out that way because I woke up really late because I had to edit 2 videos yesterday for you guys, and I had set a timer, but I fell back asleep after my alarm. So yeah, that didn't quite work out the way that I wanted it to, guys. But I'm trying to get back to sleep at a decent time tonight so that tomorrow I can actually go out and do a really good vlog for you guys and really take you guys around with me while I do my activities throughout the day. Obviously, I got some Christmas shopping to look at and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow I can take you and just show you guys that side of things. But yeah, I hope this idea really helps you guys and gives you something fun to do, because honestly, like, I know everyone's been going really crazy. There's not really much to do right now because of COVID. Everything's constantly being shut down and closed. So yeah, just give it a try, guys. I think your friends will really appreciate you for it. And yeah, let me know in the comments below. Leave a comment and tell me like what you bought. Show a picture if you can. Like, send me a picture. I'll probably put like somewhere you guys can DM me or something like that. But leave comments below. Tell me what kind of things you bought, what you added onto your postcard. Tell me I don't know, tell me like what kind of arts and crafts that you picked up to add onto the postcard itself, like pipe cleaners or popsicle sticks or stickers, like Christmassy stickers, or I don't know, like a bow or whatever. Like, just let me know in the comments below your kind of style and what you did. Maybe you put a drawing with it. I don't know. Maybe you're an artist. Maybe you gave them a painting, a drawing, something like that. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you put together and what you're sending your friends and family. All right, guys. Remember, wander, connect, innovate, and inspire. Boom.